I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking. I don't think I can wait. I just need it.
Hey everybody, welcome to today's vlog. I don't know if I want to make this into a birthday vlog or do I want to do it and add it to a weekly vlog. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, so welcome to this week's vlog or today's birthday vlog. We have a few errands we need to run today. Right now I'm stopping at the Starbucks because the store that I have to go to does not open until the 21 minutes, so I might as well just, you know, start at Starbucks first for my free drink. Okay, so happy birthday to me. I know I look real busty, dusty, and crusty right now, but it's all gonna come together, okay? Because I've been busy this entire week, okay? Like really, this whole week I have been all over the place, okay? And I did not get a chance to do an Instagram picture or Instagram post or whatever it is that I need to do for today. So right now it's 9:43, and I'm trying to see if I can do this in the next 4 to 5 hours at the most, because I want to have the pictures and my reel already edited, and I want to have it edited on both ends, for the video and for the picture. I know the Party City place opens up at 10, so I got 18 minutes left before they open. The Starbucks line is a little wrapped, so I don't feel like walking in right now. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I gotta do my hair, do my makeup. I was out really late last night, so I'm a little like puffy under here because I'm really did not plan on getting up this early, but it's definitely gonna be a process. Damn, I feel like I should go inside. Okay, y'all, so I just left the Starbucks. I'm trying to see, because if you're from Georgia or not from Georgia, pretty much you have to have your, they call it emissions here, but if you're from New York or from up north, basically it's the inspection. But their inspection is not like our inspection. Like the inspection here, it's due on your birthday. Like the perfect time to get your inspection done, like during your birthday, when they know you're gonna get effed up and pay a late fee. Like, no, you're not gonna get me. Okay, yeah, let me go place my order with them first, because I know this is gonna be like a thing. So let me deal with that. And I'm trying to figure out what color theme do I want to do. I feel like I want to do black and gold because I'm low-key like not really in the mood for my birthday this year. Like it's just a whole lot going on, and I'm gonna tell you guys about it, but just not right now. I'm just gonna get through that and be able to at least post a picture, make it look like, you know, make my birthday look like something. I'm gonna go in there, place the order, run over here to the beauty supply store because I need some hairspray in order for me to do the hairstyle that I'm gonna do. And then I'm trying to figure out if I want to do a nice cute dress, because I do have a black dress that I purchased like 2 years ago that I've never worn. So I feel like I want to wear that and then do black and gold as my accents or whatever. I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Bip, 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 bip. Yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds. Can you beat the shot? Put you waiting all up, daddy. I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy.
do that 3 4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, listen, wait me, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, you get when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, baby. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and tell me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Daisy. Ain't no way to but to maybes. Don't be wrapped up in that shit like you're lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you're scared. Baby, don't hold up on my shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride.
Okay, y'all, so the makeup, my hair is done. I just have to go and pick up my pick up the birthday cake real quick so that I can do this picture and do everything that I need to do, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, y'all, so this is the setup. I meant to film it while I was doing it, but it just, yeah, I just forgot. So these are the color schemes, those are the colors, and this is how I'm gonna set up. Of course, if you have not liked this photograph of my birthday, please go back and go show some love, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. This is going to be a blind reaction of the cake that I purchased. This is, ooh, I don't want to move it too much. This is how they packaged it. This is how it came. Super, super cute. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna bring it down so that you guys can see me actually open it. So I hope you guys can see this. I'm really hoping that you can see this. This is how it came. This is how gorgeous the packaging is. And let's see what the cake, let's see. Oh, ooh. Okay. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at that. If that is not gorgeous, she is grown, baby. My birthday, she is grown. Okay, that is so cute.
Everyone, it's my birthday.